Ro. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Cassie.
Hello.
I love that you're here.
I miss you.
This is making me so happy, you guys. If you aren't subscribed to Cassie's channel, I'm gonna be putting her links down below, so go subscribe, go show her some love. She makes awesome fitness videos.
And you are getting super strong, Ro.
Thank you,
She's
girl.
getting real fit.
Too much muscle. We also made a video over on her channel, so go check it out. I'll put a link down below. So this is the game that I got for us. I thought it would be really cute and fun. YETI in my spaghetti.
Ooh.
And a YETI is like a little, what's it called?
It's like a abominable
snowman. So to get into the spirit, I got us these little earmuffs.
Oh, earmuffs.
Yeah.
Should we wear them?
Yeah.
Can I still hear you? Let's
Do
do
these
it.
look cute on us?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't wait.
Hey, you pull it out.
I'm gonna pull it out. Oh, we got some spaghetti. What else we got? Oh, we got a bowl. Where's the snowman?
How do you get them out?
Oh, here, I think you gotta just force it out. Should I go crazy?
Yeah,
And just
yeah.
rip it?
Just get it out of there.
Rip it. Oh, see, he's stuck. He's stuck in there.
Yeah, we're set
All right,
and
I'm
free.
gonna have to.
Free Willy?
Gonna,
We should name him Willy. Willy
He's
the
out.
abominable snowman. Abominable. I gotta be honest, you guys, I don't say that word very often.
neither.
Abominable.
And
Time
then-
for some spaghetti.
How do you like your spaghetti?
I'll take my spaghetti the same way I take my coffee. Any way I can.
Carefully remove noodles without being the one to let YETI fall in the bowl. So I think we just put the spaghettis like this.
Okay.
And then we place him on top. And then we each try to take one out. And the person who makes him fall is the loser.
This makes me feel like we're on Naked and Afraid and we're building a fort.
Should we make it really hard and like go crazy?
Yeah. And it's gotta be sturdy enough for Willy to sit on top of.
You may have the honor of putting Willy on.
Ooh, little Willy. Okay, I'm gonna put him right here.
Okay.
There you go, you little snowman.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, go first, my lady.
Well.
Choose your first spaghetti, Cassie.
Oh man. Oh man.
He's moving, he's moving.
Oh, this is difficult. I got one. Okay, your turn.
When I was little, I used to say biscotti. Abominable. Wanna try this one? Uh-oh.
Right?
What have I done? What have I done? No.
Nice. All right.
An accomplishment.
Oh, that was an easy one.
I want this one.
Okay.
He's kind of like, look at him. Okay, I think it's
all
loose.
right.
Gotcha.
Nice. Oh, I see an easy
Two.
one. I'm gonna take the easy ones from you. That was easy.
Whoa.
So
Which
the
one's
same
a
colors.
support spaghetti? Nope. No. We're good. The structure is still intact.
Okay.
3. I really love how they're all different shaped too.
Oh, going sideways. Got it.
Nice.
Willy's hanging in there.
He's doing really good.
It's not too heavy, I suppose.
Well, if I touch it,
You
I
touched
have
it,
to
you
do
touched it, you touched it. You
Dang.
touched it. You gotta do it.
I touched it and he started moving way too much and I'm terrified.
I don't think he's gonna fall. He might tip, but I don't think he's gonna fall.
No,
This is what I
Willy!
mean.
No, Willy!
Oh
No,
my
Willy, no!
Oh my gosh. Twist. Twist.
Twist! He's
Yes,
gonna
yes, there you
fall.
go. Go flat and then take. Oh my gosh.
Willy, no!
Nice.
Whew.
Woo. I don't think that was necessary, but that was very brave of you.
I gotta fan myself with some spaghetti beer.
Uh-oh. This is a shifter.
Oh, Cassie,
Oh.
he's jiggling.
Hold on.
He's like this. I'm bringing out a snowman.
All right. I think you have an easy one right there.
I'm gonna go for
You
it.
should just go for
I
it.
think I can get it off the end.
I think now it's gonna get interesting. I'm going right underneath the. Oh! I lost! He died! Well, good game, Rosanna.
Yep. Good game,
Good
Cassie.
game.
That was really fun, but let's
Okay.
do one more round.
Okay.
But this time, with a twist,
Uh-huh.
let's do a speed
Ooh.
round. We gotta go ting, ting,
Ting, ting, ting, ting, ting, ting.
like
okay,
that.
Got it. Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Go. Go.
Oh! He's almost in jar. He's in the jar. Okay, go.
Going. Going.
Going.
Oh my God,
He's hanging on by a thread. No.
Oh no!
The
Yeti fell in the spaghetti.
All right, that does it for playing Yeti in my spaghetti. A big thank you to my friend Cassie. Thank you so much for coming
thank you
over
for having
and
me.
playing this silly game with me.
I love it.
Let me know in the comments down below if there's any other games that you'd like to see me play. And again, I'll be putting all of Cassie's links down below. Go subscribe, show her some love. She is amazing. So you can stay fit and eat a lot of cookies.
Oh yes, eat cookies on Rose channel and then go burn it off with me and go back and forth and back and forth.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Your new name's Marshmallow.
I thought his name was Willie.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I just like naming things.